It's Joe and Rose for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Do you have gluten allergy? Or do you have a celiac allergy? If it is, this recipe is for you guys. This is samosa, a Kerala style beautiful vegetable samosa for you, wrapped in rice paper. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen. We can make 14 samosas with this recipe. We can make the filling. For the filling, we need 300 grams of diced potato like this. Onto a hot water, add salt, add the potatoes and boil 80% and remove it and keep it aside. Onto a skillet, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 3 pieces of green chilies, few curry leaves. Onto a pan and saute for a minute. Add half cup of chopped red onions. Saute for a minute. Onions are still crispy. Add 150 grams of carrots, 1 cup of boiled peas and the boiled potatoes. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon of pepper powder. 2 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala. How to make garam masala recipe is there in my channel. And few chopped cilantro. Combine well on a medium heat. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add quarter teaspoon of fennel powder. Squeeze freshly lemon juice. Mix well and let it cool down completely. We need rice paper. Cut it to half. Apply water on the rice paper. On the both pieces we have to apply and stick it together like this. Make a cone like this. Make sure there is enough water so it stick it together. Add the filling into the cone. Lock it. Apply some more water and seal all the edges. It will be a perfect triangle like this. Press it so if there is any air pockets, it will be removed. Onto a hot oil, fry it. Make sure you poke any bubbles that's come out immediately. Flip it and fry it until it is golden and crispy. Remove it and enjoy. If you are frying 2 or more, this samosas is very easy to stick. Make sure you separate it immediately. Don't hesitate. If you have gluten allergy or celiac, this recipe is perfect for you. A perfect Kerala style samosa like this. Enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye. Have you tried it? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.